What is up, YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you guys my review of the 10 Off-White Nike VaporMax. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are doing 2 giveaways right now. We're giving away Supreme Storage Box, and we're also giving away a Fila Folder Ray sneaker in size 11. All you have to do to join is to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then click the link down below to be able to see the rest of the mechanics for both giveaways. What are you guys waiting for? Go! This vlog is part of my 10-part series where I collect and review the 10 Off-White Nike collaboration. This is part of a playlist, so if you want to watch the entire thing, binge watch the entire thing by clicking the link to the playlist down below. Go, guys! The Nike VaporMax is not just a gimmick. This is actually a 7-year design and ideation process by the designers and the scientists of Nike. What happened? If you take a look at the original Air Max designs, they wanted to put as much air as possible into the air unit. That's the spot that you guys see here at the bottom. That was the thinking behind the Air Max. That's why it's called Max. When it comes to the VaporMax, that all changed. The designers wanted to put the least amount of air as possible, but to make it as efficient and as precise as they could. That 7-year design and ideation process, guys, led to this sneaker, the Nike VaporMax. It wasn't just something that the guys, hey, let's put like different kind of air bubbles at the bottom and let's call it like the next evolution of the Air Max. It actually went through a rigorous design and ideation process. So what's so special about the VaporMax? It's all about this. The midsole and the outsole. What did they do differently with this one? To be able to put the least amount of air, to make it as precise as possible, they mapped out the pressure points of the foot of runners. So they would see where the pressure would be going, where the pressure is concentrated, and they would increase the density of the air on those particular spots. Apart from that, if you take a look at the design of the air lugs, it actually looks like some sort of threading pattern of a piston wherein it would push each other up as you would walk forward. What does that mean? When you step down, the lugs that you guys see at the bottom push up the air unit, which increases the pressure. When you step off, it releases the pressure, and that's why you get that bounce back spring effect when you are running or walking with the VaporMax. That's legit technology. It's not gimmick. It's not just so they could put like air inside the shoe. It is something that they really thought of and designed to be able to make the best product possible as a worthy accessor, again, to the Air Max technology that they had for years. Apart from that, they also made it that the air units, well, at least the OG model, was translucent, so you would get the feeling that you're running on air. And they made the most out of Nike's latest technology with Flyknit. That's the upper that you guys see here, to make it as lightweight as possible. All of those things combined, that 7-year design and ideation process, led to the Nike VaporMax. Enter Virgil Abloh. Of course, as you guys know, Virgil Abloh was tapped by Nike to reinvent and take a look at their 10 most classic sneakers, and that's why it's called the 10. Virgil Abloh actually divided the 10 into 2 packs. The first pack is called the Revealing Pack, and that's where the VaporMax is. The second pack is called the Ghosting Pack. As part of the Revealing Pack, you have the Jordan 1 Off-White. This is where you guys see, this is what you have here. You have the OG Prestos, as you guys see here. You have the Blazer Mid, and finally you have the Air Max 90 and the VaporMax. The other 5 sneakers, some of which you see at the back, are part of the Ghosting Pack, and they feature some sort of like translucent upper. So what's so special about Virgil Abloh's take on the Nike VaporMax? I think there are 2 things that I want to point out for this review. Number 1 is his signature style of design. If you take a look at it, it's that deconstructed, not yet finished, but finished vibe. So you have the stitching that you have here along the sides of the swoosh. You have that orange price tag thing that you guys see here, which is present in all of his sneakers. And you have that shipping address type of text along the side, which is very, very him. And you have the quotation marks here as well. How do you know if a designer is successful? If he's able to influence all the other designs of other brands and other sneakers. And that's exactly what Virgil Abloh has been able to do. If you take a look at the most recent releases of Nike, you're seeing over-branded sneakers from the Air Force One to the Nike Cortez. And you even saw a glimpse of it with the Jordan 1 over-branded style sneaker that came out as an Asia exclusive, the green one. If you take a look at the latest release of Adidas, their competitor, it's called the Alpha Type Pack. It's like a blueprint design of all of their sneakers. They actually have that same kind of text that's written all over the shoe. And that's an indicator of how influential and how successful a designer is. Now, apart from the text, you also have, like what I mentioned earlier, the deconstructed vibe. You have that very thick tongue that you don't normally have with the VaporMax, and you have the exposed foam over here. Now, what really makes this a fun sneaker, though, is how versatile it is. It comes with 4 laces, I think. You have the white one, you have the black one, you have the orange one, and you have the green one. And swapping out the laces actually makes this such a versatile sneaker. So if you want it very sleek, very on the down low, this is the best setup that you guys can have. Just slide in the black laces and you're good. Boom! Very sleek, very low key. It doesn't scream off-white, especially if you take out the red tag. This is actually my favorite way of wearing the Nike Air VaporMax Off-White. It is subtle, it is not loud, it is just the right amount of class and hype on your feet. If you want it a little bit more casual, all you have to do is to swap out the black laces with the white laces. It gives it a more relaxed vibe, a more weekend kind of feel to it. But let's say you want to go all hype beast. You want to get everybody looking at you. You want to turn heads. You want to break necks. All you have to do, swap it out for the orange laces and then put in the zip tag, and then you're good to go. It is classic, iconic Off-White. If you want to take it up to hype beast level 10, then all you have to do is put orange here, put green here, and then put the zip tie tag, and then yeah, you will be the ultimate hype beast with this particular sneaker. So it's the versatility of swapping out the tags with the laces rather, that makes it such a really cool shoe. Because of the black upper, the contrast makes the laces really pop, and that, I think, is one of the best things about this sneaker, about the Off-White Nike VaporMax. Do I recommend the Nike Air VaporMax Off-White? Yes, I do, but I would really suggest that you guys try to go with the OG version, which is this shoe. There were 2 releases for this year which came out, which is featured like a black upper and a translucent midsole, and then the white VaporMax. I would highly suggest that you guys just go for this one if you have the budget, mainly because this is the one which the value is still going up. And apart from that, I just love the all black look and the all black feel of this sneaker, especially if you put the black laces. It's just so sleek, super sick, as in super. I haven't used this term for a long time now, guys. It's just hella fire. It's super cool. I just love the vibe that it gives. At this point, I'd just like to give a quick shout out to the guys who were able to hook me up with this pair. I was actually at DJ Big Boy Cheng's event called the Urban Affair 2 over at Ronak Art Center, and I was able to buy these sneakers from 5 Souls 5 and Jom from Out of the Box Philippines. So thank you, Jom. Thank you, Vern. Thank you, 5 Souls 5, for hooking me up with this pair at a great price. You guys rock. I appreciate you. Good luck with your business. And speaking of shout outs and thank yous, I just want to give a quick shout out and thank you as well to Feed Your Feet Manila. They actually sent me this really cool Calabasas Yeezy like shirt in pink. So I've yet to figure out how I will wear it. But thank you guys, I appreciate you also. If you guys haven't seen my video of Feed Your Feet Manila and Toy Bunker, I'll put a link down below so you guys can watch it. They're a fantastic crossover store between sneakers and toys, all in one really cool shop. So yeah guys, that's actually it for this vlog. If you want to watch my entire Off-White review series, I am shooting all of them as fast as I can. So I actually have already the review of the Air Max 97, I think, and all the unboxing under the Off-White review playlist, which is this video is part of. So if you guys want to binge watch, please do check it out. I'll put the link down below. As a final reminder, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you do so. Again, we are giving away a bunch of stuff. We're giving away the Fila Folder Ray. We're giving away the Supreme Storage Box. All you have to do is to subscribe, follow me on IG, hit the notification box, click the links down below so you can be part of the giveaway. That's it for now, guys. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!